Okay, YouTuber, I have just received my order, 8-inch drill press. It just came in today. The product is WEN, so I'm just gonna open up and see what's inside. Okay, so I open up the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this drill press comes with the manual, an 8-inch 5-speed drill press. This is the chuck, and the chuck key is in here. So we will have to assemble this. Come with this, the handle, so I'm assembling all of these. This body going to just put in with these 3 bolts. This is the first time. Very easy, very simple, not complicated. A caveman can do it. Put this on, tighten it, lock it in place. Put these on. This might be very difficult for some of you. Just like that. Use your L wrench, tighten it. There's two of the set screws. One's on the back and one on the front. You want to tighten it so that it doesn't move. After I finish assembling, putting the chuck on, then I'll be bolting these 3 bolts here, make it still. Forgot to mention that before you put this in, you have to clean this spool with acetone or anything, just to take out all of these oil here, all of these grease. You have to move this down, put your chuck on, but you have to hammer it for this chuck to go up there. Before you hammer anything, you have to make sure that you're not hitting it with the actual hammer. Okay, so neither you gotta use a dead blow, a mallet, or put a piece of cardboard or maybe like a plank under.
Okay, now after you finish with everything, raise your plate up. You have to align this plate to be in the middle of your chuck. I'm just eyeballing it.
And one thing I forgot to show you guys is that all you need to check the belt, open the top by loosening these screw here, holding on that, loosen it, take it out, and you will see the belt with the pulley, and these are your gear to change the speed on this drill press here. So right now I'm running on the third speed, which was 1530 mile RPM. So it had all of these. So width, the inch, or if you're doing millimeter, iron, steel. So you can adjust your speed to the material you need. Okay guys, so I'm having a difficulty putting this back on because somehow they misaligned this or something. So I'm having difficulty installing, putting this back on, closing it and putting on. So what I do is that I use my Gerber. I actually bend it toward this side over here a little bit, toward the front a little bit, so that this this little knob can actually turn and tighten it. So this chuck, the chuck key, go inside here. All you do is just push it in, and there you go, it's in there tight. Always, rule of thumb is always make sure that do not leave the chuck key in the chuck, or you'll be having a lot of problem. This is your tensioner for your belt. Not only that, but here is your on and off button, and this run on a 110 power supply. So alright, let's test it out. So grab your drill bit, put it here, and to tighten it you have to go counterclockwise, but to loosen it you go clockwise. You loosen it, but in this case we want to tighten it, so make sure you align this bit right in the middle, the chuck. Make sure that it's not on the edge or anything, and then tighten it with your chuck key. That rattling is because I did not bolt this drill press onto my bench. So in a bit I'll do it.